What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam game no license found error. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam. You will see the first official website of Steam. Click on that. The website will be loaded as store.steampower.com. Now, after coming to this dashboard on the right side, as you can see the login button, I have logged in currently to my account. That's why you can't see here. But in your desktop or on your screen, on the right side here, you will see the login button. Click on that login button. And if you already have a Steam account, you will be automatically logged into the Steam account. But if you don't have a Steam account, you need to enter your email, password, the credentials to create your own new Steam account. Now, after logging into the Steam account on the left side, you can see the icon of Install Steam. Click on this and install the Steam application. Now, installing the Steam application on the left side, you can see the Steam icon at the top. Click on this and then click on Settings. After coming to the settings, click on Interface, and from here you need to go for Client Beta Participation, and from here you need to choose the Steam Beta Update to see that you are on the latest version of your Steam account. Now after that, go to Download on the left side and then scroll down a bit and then click on Clear Cache. Now a pop-up window will appear. Just click on Confirm and then it will all your cache website or games that are taking on storage and not working properly. And after that, just close tab and then go to library and then go to the home page of library. And now from here, delete the game that is affecting your Steam license experience. And after that, if it still doesn't solve the problem, just restart your Steam application, or you can just restart your PC, or you can just ju turn off and turn on your internet connection. So this might solve the problem. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.